Hey, I'm HUGER again, and today we're going to make Mamaw burgers. First thing you're going to need is about 1.5 pounds of ground chuck. 1.5 pounds. You're going to need some fresh cracked pepper, kosher salt again, some Worcestershire sauce, and that's it for the prep. Get the meat, and what you want to do is you want to cut it in fourths. See, like that, just with your knife, and then you cut it in fourths just like that. Take a fourth and you gently, I mean barely handle it. Just smash it together and you barely handle it. Put it on a plate, you smash it and kind of feel the edges like that. And then you turn around, you smash it some more, and then you feel the edges around again. And then you poke a hole right in the middle. You get your kosher salt. You coat it on there, just a nice coating of kosher salt, right? Then crack pepper and you crack it up on there. See, just like that. Crack that pepper. See, it's just cracking. And then you get the Worcestershire. Kind of shake it, just shake it around a little bit. Then you put a dab right in the middle there, just like that. You penetrate the middle of the burger. All right, then you get a cast iron skillet here. And then you get a hunk of butter. And you heat the butter. We need to brown our buns. So you put one end of the burger. I like to put the bottom. And you brown them buns first, so it can hold all them juices. And you take the burger, and then you fry that there burger. Oh, hold on now. You gotta take precautionary measures sometimes, and you gotta lift it up. Lift up that band, and then you turn that sucker on like that. And you continue. One side 5 minutes, only flipping one. So 5 minutes aside, flip it, do the salt and pepper again, and then 5 minutes and you're done. One flip. All right, now flip them. Just like that after 5 minutes. 5 minutes, take the burger and you put it on the bun. And then you add any of the condiments you like. So this is HUGER. Enjoy.